Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on your microphone on the mobile version of Roblox. So use voice chat in Roblox on your mobile device. Now, I'm going to show you this on an iPhone, but this also works on an Android device. Now, the first step that you want to take is open up the Roblox application. Now, once you're in the Roblox application, there's an important setting that we need to change, otherwise there won't even be an option to turn on your microphone. So the first thing that we want to do is go to the right corner of our screen in the button. Here, scroll all the way down till you see your settings. And from out these settings, we want to go inside the account information, because right here we want to scroll down and use your own birthday or the birthday of your parents. And from there, it is very important that you verify your age. Now, if you can see, my age has been verified. But let's say here you want to verify your age. What will happen is you need to use a driver license, a ID card, or anything that you can identify yourself with. And from there out, you will be sent to a link where you can verify your age with this method. Now, once you've verified your age, you can close down the settings. And here you want to go into the privacy tab. Now, from out the privacy tab, you want to scroll down till you see the microphone and camera input. And as you can see here, use microphone to chat with voice. I can easily turn this on and off. As you can see here, chat with voice, enable, and that's it. Now, and as you can see, I joined a server in Roblox which allows a microphone, and here I can simply allow the microphone. And as you can see, when I want to turn on my microphone, I simply use and press the microphone above my screen. And as you can see, I'm speaking in game. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.